Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is freedom through faith. Freedom through faith. Do you believe in yourself? Believe in what you've been working on. I need you to, because you're about to head on a new adventure. You can't tell air where to go, where to flow, but it goes all the way around the world, meeting all types of people. And that fresh air, your fresh presence changes people's lives. They sustain their lives. You make a huge difference. Are you ready? Do you believe in yourself? I'm asking you because I need you to. Not only because you deserve it, but you put in the work. So you also should enjoy the freedom of enjoying life, not feeling as though it's a sentence or life is about survival. No, it's about living, and you fall in love with your purpose. It's fall in love with your service and helping those feel better, feel love, and sustaining and educating them, educating yourself. That is a great service, because as air goes to and fro from across the world, you reach so many people, and you'll change so many lives. I calm my thoughts and rise above fear, because fear fears you. You look it in the eye, guarantee it shall run the other way and cower, and then you can continue on your way of prosperity, light, and your destination of greatness. I free myself of all doubt by entrusting my doubts to God. I have the faith in God's perfect timing and placement. You're in the right place, right time, the right transition, going to the right place. You guys are right on schedule. So don't stop now, because you come too far to stop. I trust in His will, and I find freedom. I can't wait for you to find this freedom. I can't wait for you to experience your new life that the world is waiting to have for you, because I need you and the world needs you for our evolution. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.